What's your name, sir?
Mike.
Mike?
Yeah, Mike Johnson.
What's your middle initial?
No middle initial.
No middle initial? Date of birth?
8/16/91.
8/16/91. Know your social? No? You have a Florida driver's license?
No, I'm just getting out.
Okay, but have you ever been issued a driver's license, a Florida ID?
No,
Out of what state? You've never had an ID whatsoever?
Massachusetts.
Mass?
Yeah.
What are you getting out for?
Huh?
What are you getting out for?
I'm getting out.
So you're just getting out?
Yeah.
Of what?
Prison.
Alright, for what?
Huh?
For what? You on probation?
No.
I'm gonna find out one way or another. I'm just trying to give you the opportunity to tell me. What were you in for?
Robbery.
Robbery? How long did you do?
4 years.
4 years? Where, out here or up there?
Fed.
Up there? Get that. What are you doing?
Man, you got gun. You got a gun. You got a gun.
Flagler, he's advising he's got a signal 0. He's taking off.
Hey, tell him once you're in the car, I don't want you involved in this. Queen, is he through south? He's coming up to the intersection. He is going to be going west, south, or eastbound on west. Alright, they told you to grab the intersection.
Right, we're pulling into the rooms to go parking lot. Stand by.
Turn it in, one more. Dog's coming. Everybody set up a timer. Yeah, we might not stop that green.
Bailing, bailing.
He is on signal 0.
Yeah, 221. You beat 751 Memphis, maybe one over here.
He's got blood on him, watch out. Roll over on your side, man. He's got clothes in the back. Hey, you got med en route? You got med en route? I can. Med? Yeah. I don't have a camera. I got my cell phone. I can take pictures of him. Let's get pictures of Crow. You got med? Hey man, are you injured at all besides the taser? No? All right. Do me a favor, roll up on your side so you can breathe better, all right? If you need to move your feet in, that way you got more support. We have an ambulance coming to take a look at you, all right, since you've been exposed to the taser. Do you have any other injuries?
Let's give him a call.
All right.